Hey guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. We have yet again another unboxing. I love designer unboxings. I love unboxings slash hauls in general, so we have a really good one. If you guys keep up with me on Instagram and all that fun stuff, you would have known I just got back from my 21st birthday trip. I went to New York City and it was so much fun. It had a lot of fun, but I also did a lot of shopping. Not like too much, but like, you know, enough. And I have a dedicated shopping haul that goes up Sunday. But in today's video, I want to unbox my purse. I buy myself a designer purse every single birthday, and this year's is from Prada. I just did a bunch of designer unboxings slash hauls, so if you guys want to watch those, I will link them down below. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't be shy. Stick around, subscribe, click that bell. Follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I post so much content and I just know you're gonna love it. Without further ado, let's get into it. So I haven't seen this since I picked it out in the store. And this exact one that I picked out in the store is mine. So like I've already touched it and everything. Here we go. This is the first bag from Prada in this specific shape and embellishment. She is beauty, she is grace. Look at the inside, it's already so pretty. I hope you guys can see that well. I am so excited. This is like wrapped up so nicely. Oh wow, look at this. I have not ever received a Prada bag with this kind of like ribboning. So cute. All right, I took this like little hefty little strap thing off and now we're getting into the bag. Let's do a little ASMR. Did I do it right? Am I an ASMR queen? I'm just kidding, I'm probably not. I was just curious. Okay, here we go. I see it. All right, I moved over my tripod because my lighting was going like dark and stuff and I just don't like that. But I see the bag and I know you can see it too. I'm just gonna pull the bag out. Guys, listen to this. I'm doing it very lightly, so don't come at me. Here is my purse. She is so perfect, so unique. I really wanted a purse that is memorable and speaks really loud, especially getting on my 21st. I literally purchased this on my birthday and I love it. Now, to say I knew what this bag is called, which I should know what it's called, but I totally don't. I'm gonna throw it up on the screen. This is the first bag I have that is the triangle and I love it. I think it's super unique. I love the Saffiano leather strap. And I love this color. It gave me like very much so Tinkerbell vibes, and I don't have any bags that are like with this embellishment, the crystal embellishment, and also this shape and color. So it's all just like a new bag for me. Let's give her a little opening up and see what's inside. So if I remember correctly, you can actually adjust this strap with the buttons. And I think it can go longer. Although I can really only see myself carrying this as like a shoulder bag or holding it with my hand instead of like a crossbody. I just don't know if it goes that long with the strap to be a crossbody. Let's take out the stuff on the inside. And here we are. It is satin lined, which I really enjoy. I really love that little add-on. It has the Prada made in Italy right here. This color is everything. I super love it. And I just like love the shine on the bag as well. I mean, I recently just did a designer bag collection and I think you guys can attest to it. I don't have any bags that look like this, so I'm really excited to have this baby in my collection and I just keep staring at it. Living in Florida, I feel like it's also a perfect summer, spring, fall bag. I feel like it's gonna go with kind of the whole seasons here, and I'm just really hoping that the crystals hold up and that they do not end up falling off. But I'm just gonna have to be extra careful with this bag, and if you do have this bag and a crystal has popped off, can you let me know? Let me know how it happened. Were you being careful with it? Were you not being careful with it? This bag, I think my phone does fit in here. I tried it out in the store to make sure that the phone did fit, and it's like, it fits, you know, it's a weird shape of a bag. And it totally does fit, but you can only add a few other things around it, like a little card holder and a lip gloss. But I definitely wanted to make sure my phone was able to fit in here, especially with going out with this bag and to like a nice dinner. I definitely don't like holding my phone all the time, so I'm glad it fits my phone. I think a what's in my purse would be super interesting with this bag, so if you guys want to see that, let me know. You guys, and I also have the Authentication card, and it's really cool because it has the Prada Broadway store, which is the one that I went to in New York, and it also says June 16th, 2022, which is my birthday. And I don't ever keep my Authentication cards because I don't feel the need to have it, but this one I'm totally keeping because it has my birthday and the store that I went to in New York. So this one's definitely really special to me, and I'm obsessed. Just like a little something that I'm gonna keep for sure. But I'm really drawn to this bag. I love it, and it is so perfect. I'm so happy I was able to unbox it with you guys on camera. Y'all know I love my unboxings, and I know you guys love them too. You guys also love my what's in my purse videos and my collection videos, and this is just another one to add to the collection. Like I said, I got a few more items, not a few, but I mean I got some more items from New York, and I'm gonna do like a whole New York City shopping spree haul, which goes up on Sunday. So if you guys like this video and you wanna see more of this bag and also just kind of the other stuff that I got, be sure to stay tuned because that video is gonna be super good. And also, if this was your first time watching my channel, I would absolutely love it if you would stick around, subscribe, click that bell, follow my social medias. I talk about fashion, faith, and lifestyle here on my channel. I do a lot of fun stuff here, and it would be like such a joy if you would join me. Let's get a quote of today, and it's actually on my screensaver, and it says, "It's okay if all you did today was survive." I think a lot of people think you have to do a million things in your day, but if all you did was survive and go through everything you needed to go through, and you're still standing at the end of the day, I genuinely don't see why you wouldn't celebrate that. Celebrate the little steps because they're so important and they're so crucial for you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this beautiful baby. I know it's like kind of a short video, but unboxings typically don't take forever. She is cute, she is detailed, and I am so mesmerized. Like when I stare at this bag, I kind of get lost. I love you guys so much, and I hope I see you guys in my very next video. Stay happy, stay positive, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye guys.